Oh my God.
DM, how you doing, girl?
Did you take it?
Dawn Marie, as of last week, I think was in Cambodia.
Oh, I
Little different weather.
I'm totally like.
She's waiting for the right.
Woo!
Oh no, smile! I'm taking it. Smile.
Okay.
Okay, here. Click. Okay, I got it. You on video?
You big.
Look at.
Woo! It's a winter wonderland.
It is a winter wonderland.
We saw people on their freaking skis, cross-country skiing down at Winchester.
I took video from my up in my.
Yeah, you saw
house.
them. That's awesome.
Look at I have Franco's boots on.
Whoa!
Sometimes those things are massive.
What you gotta do?
Kristen and Brian are friends with me, even though I have gargantuan feet. As evidenced
I've actually
by my size 12 shoe.
DM, I was actually filming,
Those are huge.
not the shoes, so nobody would know those shoes are so gargantuan.
She's pointing them out to you though, pretty, you know, advertising them.
Look at how big occur in your foot. Watch.
These are pretty big too.
These are big.
Whoa!
Oh my God, it's freezing. I wonder if we're gonna do our street. Let me throw this in here.
Oh, I don't know. That's a good point. Oh, you got your recyclables?
Yeah, I just have to throw
Oh, it is a little tall.
because even in the crappy weather, I'm a recycler.
Nice. Nice.
I'm doing my deed.
Okay.
One.
Yeah.
Oh my God, there's snow in there. Yay! Somebody around the block.
Do it again.
Somebody around the block. They're sledding down their stairwell. The little kids.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
The kids are like, woohoo! What could we slide? Go up the roofs and.
Code.
That is too stinking funny.
Love it.
There are people
Let's start
sledding in the alley. That's all I have to say.
That's a little balancing act there you got.
Crazy.
Good job.
I think I might dig part of my car out.
Oh.
This is mental. Are we still on?
Fabulous.
It's mental. Don't let anybody fool you saying this is fun.
No, right?
I've been camping out at home.
Here he
Looking
comes.
out the windows.
Here comes him snowplowing.
Oh, check it out. Okay, so alleys are one thing, but we can't get down the street.
No, no. They're gonna come through eventually, but who knows when.
Awesome. We can drive down the alley.
Here he comes snow. But you finally got him bulldozing, babe.
Going pretty fast.
Yeah, he is. I'm gonna get the
Okay, I'm gonna.
Peace out.
Peace out. I can't feel my right hand.
See you, DM.
It's great. It's killing it. It's helping out the hood.
Awesome. Ready to go inside?
Yeah. Let's go see Dexter.